brought to me, it was informed to me by the Honorable, the ex-chairman of the PDA, Bab Cleophas, ताणे आमकां सांगलेलें आसा. Bab Carlos आमचो आमच्या बापूचो एक बरो to be a balance for everything we do. हांवें म्हटलां तशें, just because there is a superstructure coming up, there has to be an equal amount of space left for recreational. There has to be enough green cover. There has to be trees planted everywhere. So all of these things need to taken into account for getting all this done. With the help of the Honorable Minister for Town and Country Planning, he is also of a very different opinion. Our Honorable Chief Minister also is very young and has the environment at his focus. So सगळ्यांक घेवनूच आमी हें करतले. Local MLAs, of course, we will take them into confidence and ensure that everything is done for the betterment of this port, very important port town of Goa. Tenure, I think my father's track record, my track record will show it's not a very long track record, just 3 years in the Legislative Assembly. I will ensure that illegalities are dealt with properly. It is my promise to the people of Mormugao. We have to find balance. Just because we can do it, it doesn't mean we should do it. And I promise good governance, like I said, in this department during my tenure. So whatever the issues are, illegalities are, as long as somebody brings it to my notice, I will ensure that everything is dealt with properly.